Hello, this is Arvi. And I am a technical analyst over at askSlim, and in this video we are going to walk through our weekly cycle analysis for the XRT, that is the SPDR Retail ETF. What we have at the bottom here are called cycle brackets, and for the XRT we have a dominant cycle, which is then broken up into minor half cycles. And cycles are a way for us to visualize the money flow patterns. So by having a dominant cycle as well as minor cycles, we're indicating that there is a dominant money flow pattern as well as a minor money flow pattern. And we have outlined how the dominant cycles have traced that over time in this blue line right here, and how the minor cycles have traced it over time in this black line here. And what we also have at the bottom here is called a disparity index, and it is set to a 34-week moving average, which is this blue moving average that we see on the chart. And what it does here is that it tells us how far we are from our 34-week moving average. And I've highlighted this in red because if I zoom out on this chart, you'll see that we are as far from our 34-week moving average on the upside that we have ever been, and this is going all the way back to 2006. So we are very far from our 34-week moving average. So let's go ahead and look at the cycle analysis to give us a little bit more context here. So what you'll see here is that we have a mid-cycle low due right around the middle to end of March. So given how far we are from our 34-week moving average, we would look for a pullback here on the downside, likely into this zone here from 74.25 down to around 68.40 or so, into this next mid-cycle low. So that is with the XRT trading right around 83.26. Now, what I also want to highlight is the underlying holding. So I last looked at the XRT for our members on 1/5 of this year, and the holdings were all around 1 to 1.5% of the underlying fund. So what I'll do now is I'll bring over the SSGA updated holdings here. So this is as of Friday's close, and you'll see that GameStop makes up almost 19.5% of this fund, while the other holdings all still make up anywhere from 1 to 1.5%, which is really in line with the longer term averages that we've seen. So just wanted to highlight this because this is a very concentrated fund in one stock, and that stock is GameStop. So I just wanted to add that in as well. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube, and you can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. If you're interested in learning more about cycle analysis, please head over to askSlim.com. And lastly, if you're interested in learning more about our trial offers, please write to Matt, that's M-A-T-T, at askSlim.com. Thanks again, and have a great day.